Hey YouTube, this is Gabby Glisten, and I'll be showing you how to lay and slay your 360 frontal. All right, ladies, so what you need is a paper, a towel, something that won't mess up your table space. You will need a 360 lace frontal, Brazilian, anything you want, Peruvian, straight, curly, whatever you want. You would need Wella powder lightener, bleach. This is top of the line bleach. I ordered it off Amazon. You would need also Iso Plus, neutralizing shampoo. Again, I used Wella. This is 20 developer because I didn't want to bleach it too fast. And I used shimmer lights to tone. Gets out all that brassiness. And some gloves. You don't want to mess up your hands. And a big tooth comb. Also some T-pins to keep your wig down on the head that you're using. Now here, I'm going to mix the developer with the powder. Use very little because you want it to have a thick consistency. You don't want it too thin or runny because it's going to run right through the lace to the hair and it will bleach the hair as well. And you would have a big mess. Then you'd have to go over it and fix that. You don't want to do that. Next, I use the Q-tip method. I know it sounds unconventional, but I like to use the Q-tip because it helps you to lightly tap the lace. Again, you do not want the bleach going through the lace because then, listen, learning how to do this, you go through trial and error. And the first time I ever bleached my knots, I made it too runny and the bleach went through and I had black hair with blonde roots and I was looking crazy. And I was like, oh, how did I fix this? And then I took like some rinse, some black rinse, and dipped my wig in the rinse. Then the roots turned back black. Then I had to re-bleach. Then I said, okay, let me tint. And then I bought, there's a tinting method. I'll get into that in other videos where you could use tea bags to tint it to the color of your skin if you're a brown skin girl. But it was just so much trouble. It took me hours and days. And, you know, it's all for the learning process. And I don't regret it. It taught me a lot. Making mistakes. It's all right to make mistakes. Well, no, it's not all right to make mistakes because, ladies, you know we spend hundreds on our wigs, on our units, and we don't want to make a mistake. But that mistake helped me to become a better stylist. So I don't regret it. And yeah, you lightly tap it. Lightly tap this. You don't want to mess this up. And yeah, you just keep going over and over again. Just repetition. Just keep going, going, going. Until you're done. Make sure you just don't be heavy-handed and go all around the wig. Because this is a 360. So all my dolls, let's get to work. Let's slay this wig like we supposed to. Okay.
I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound of it.
All right, so we're just about done bleaching the knots. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and wash all that bleach out. You're gonna see wonderful results. It's gonna look just like scalp. No one will know you're wearing a wig. Believe that. All right, guys, I'm done with this step. Now we're going to wash off the bleach. Here, I'm gonna use the shimmer lights now. The neutralizing shampoo. And TGIN Moisture Rich Shampoo. Now, put gloves on, guys. The Shimmer Light shampoo is used because once you wash off that bleach, sometimes you have like an orange tinge to the lace, or like a unnatural brassy color. You don't want that color on your head. You want the most natural color that you can have closest to your skin. You want that lace to look like scalp. That's what you want it to look like. So what that purple shampoo does, the Shimmer Lights, is it tints the lace. The tinting process is very important to do. So right here, I'm just washing off all of the bleach. After I wash that off, I will be putting the Shimmer Lights. After the Shimmer Lights, I'm going to use the neutralizing shampoo because it's just good to neutralize it. It stops the bleaching process. And then after that, I will be using the TGIN moisturizing shampoo. I love the shampoo, guys. I also use it on my own hair. It's a really good shampoo. It's a little on the expensive side, but if you want your hair to be really, really moisturized and not stripped and left dry, because some shampoos could dry out your hair, let's be honest. And to find a really, really good shampoo before you condition, it's hard to find. And with the TGIN, which stands for Thank God It's Natural, I love this brand, you guys, and I highly recommend it. So yes, I washed off all the bleach, and now I'm going to use the purple shampoo, the Shimmer Lights. Right here, I'm pouring on the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, and I'm going to give it a nice lather. Just lather it up. And I still have the hair pinned up because I just don't want the hair getting in the way. So I'm lathering up here. Now I'm rinsing it clear. And notice I'm not rubbing the hair against each other. I'm just letting the water flow right through the lace and flow right through the hair. Now I'm going to be using the neutralizing shampoo by Isoplus. And this just stops the bleaching process. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you want to just stop the bleaching process so that the lace doesn't get any more damaged. I mean, we put it through stress already. I didn't leave on the bleach for that long. I left the bleach on for about 10-15 minutes. Some people leave it on for half an hour, 40 minutes. Really just have to look at it, keep looking at it to see if it's to the lightness that you want. I didn't bleach mine too much because, ladies and gentlemen, you must know this tip as well. The longer you leave the bleach on there, it's going to make the knots really weak. So of course I plucked my knots, I plucked the hairline, but the rest of the hair that's left on the frontal, the knots basically keep those hairs in place. Now by keeping the bleach on for 40 minutes or an hour, I think that's really a bad idea, because that's why some women, they complain about their frontal balding. It's because bleach was left on it for too long. That could be the reason why, is because bleach was left on for too long. I did not leave my bleach on for that long. And I've had my wig for a while now. This wig that I've made, that I constructed, I haven't had any baldness yet. So yes, as you can see, I didn't leave the bleach on for that long, but you will still get a wonderfully laid and slayed frontal, a frontal wig. Just follow my steps and definitely, you would have a beautiful wig. And this is the frontal, ladies. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. I'll be putting up more videos soon on how I lay and slay. Do you see this slayage, ladies and gents, my queens? Do you see this? This is how you lay edges and slay your mother hair. Listen, subscribe. I have more videos coming up. I will definitely show you how to make that wig not look like a wig. Thank you, ladies. See you soon.